Welcome to the first lesson in our Quality of Life section. In this part of the course, we focus on the small tricks and tools that make Google Sheets faster and more pleasant to use. We'll start with navigation, the core skills you'll use in every single spreadsheet, every day. When entering data, instead of reaching for the mouse, rather press Tab to move to the next cell on the right. Press Shift-Tab to move left. Press Enter to move down a row, and Shift-Enter to move up. For example, if you're filling in an order form row by row, you can enter the product name, press Tab, enter the quantity, press Tab again, and keep going without touching your mouse. If you're working with large data sets, scrolling is not your best option. Control arrow keys jumps to the last filled cell in a row or a column. Control Shift arrow keys selects everything from your current cell to the end of the data. For example, you can instantly jump from the top of a sales list to the very last sale, or select hundreds of rows in one move. Google Sheets gives you powerful selection shortcuts. Control-click selects multiple individual cells or ranges that aren't next to each other. Shift-click selects everything between 2 points. Control-space selects an entire column. Shift-space selects an entire row. Control-A selects the entire sheet. Press it twice to be sure. These are especially useful when you need to format or copy multiple selections. When a sheet starts feeling cramped or the text looks too small, there are several ways to adjust your view. Browser zoom with Control plus or minus changes the entire interface size. Change font size under Format, text size for a permanent change. Freeze rows or columns in View, Freeze, to keep headers visible as you scroll. Combining these tricks can make even the biggest spreadsheet feel easy to navigate. Use the name box just above column A to jump directly to a cell by typing its reference, like B20. This is great for quickly checking a faraway total or reference without scrolling. If your file has multiple tabs, you can click the tab names at the bottom to switch sheets, right-click a tab to rename, recolor, duplicate, or hide it. Navigation shortcuts and view adjustments are the foundation of everything else you'll do in Google Sheets. Master these now and you'll spend less time hunting for data and more time actually working with it. In the next lessons, we'll continue building your quality of life skills with formatting, pasting, and other time-saving tools.